In this tutorial, we're going to create a text effect like you see in the very beginning of this video. It's really good for introductions. So if you're interested, follow me. Go to Media Generators, select Solid Color. I'm going to select yellow. I'm going to drag this out to the 10-second mark. Insert video track. Go to Legacy Text. Drag that to the first track. I'll call this Welcome. I'll change the color to black. And the size is fine there, that's good. Okay, now go to Event FX and look for Vegas Cookie Cutter. If you're using Vegas Pro 13, it's going to be called Sony Cookie Cutter. So select Cookie Cutter, click OK. Now under the preset, select Square Center White Border. For the border, drag it all the way to the left to get to 0. For the x-axis, drag it all the way to the right, so it's 10. Now go to Pan and Crop. Go to Keyframe at the front. What we want to do now is drag this up. So grab onto it and drag it up. Now we need a keyframe to restore it. So it's which one right here? Right click, restore. You put it back. Now you can experiment with these keyframes. You can have them closer together, which will be faster. So we'll put this beginning one 2 seconds. I'll put this one at 4 seconds. So it'll look something like this. Come in faster. If you want to go faster more, so it's all up to you what you want to do. You can put them closer to the beginning so they happen earlier. You can trim the video down then. So say you want it right there. Put it back. Then you can trim the video down. So just experiment with it and see what you come up with. So if you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and thanks for watching.